It's not a teacup, guys. It's a family coaster, okay?
Teacup, guys.
I don't know what you said. You sound so enthused to be here. Oh my God, I love Six Flags America. All right, we're on Ragin Cajun. Brandon's second coaster cred of the day. I can't believe he got on fire, Batwing. Probably should have tried to get on Firebird, but that's neither here nor there. That is true. That is true. And you're on this. And this is very shoddy.
And now it's getting wet.
Yo, you alright. You alright.
We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere.
Apocalypse seats over there in the distance. Throw you out. Oh, it's about to get loopy. Oh. The rain has pulled up. Oh, my mask has flew off.
There you go.
Uh-oh. Here we go. It's Brandon, yo. Brandon's spinning the shit out of himself. Nice. Yo. I've never gotten spins like this. I can't even see right now. Yo.
Thanks, Brandon. Oh, no problem. This is what I was ready. Snap. What?
Go.
That was pretty good, though.
I told you it's fun. Them spins make it fun, bro. It's funner when the bar right there open.
Yo, I couldn't be drunk on this bitch. I would have been.
No, you get the drink in it and then the spins make you drunk.
I was holding still. Spins out of control.